The Honda Electric Cargo G150 Tricycle boat presents an innovative blend of land-style utility design and water-based transport efficiency. Its tricycle-inspired structure gives it a unique appearance that immediately separates it from traditional small boats. Designed mainly for cargo movement in calm waters, it feels purpose-built for short-distance transport in harbors, rivers, and lakes. One of the most impressive aspects of this model is its electric power system. Being fully electric, it produces zero emissions during operation, making it environmentally friendly and ideal for areas where fuel-powered boats are restricted. The quiet motor also reduces noise pollution, which is a big advantage for fishing zones and tourist waterways. The overall design emphasizes stability and balance. The tricycle-style hull layout helps keep the boat steady even when carrying moderate cargo loads. This makes it suitable for transporting supplies, tools, and small goods without the constant fear of tipping or losing control. Performance-wise, the Honda Electric Cargo G150 is not built for speed but for reliability. Its cruising speed is modest, which suits its role as a utility vessel. The smooth acceleration and controlled handling allow operators to maneuver safely in narrow canals and docking areas. Battery efficiency is another strong point of this tricycle boat. The electric system is designed to offer a reasonable operating range on a single charge, making it practical for daily work routines. Charging is straightforward and can be done using standard electric sources, which reduces operational costs over time. The cargo platform is well thought out and provides enough space for light commercial loads. Whether used for delivering goods across small water routes or supporting maintenance crews, the deck layout is functional and easy to organize. Tie-down points and flat surfaces make loading and unloading simple. Comfort has not been ignored in this model. The seating position is ergonomic, allowing the operator to remain comfortable during longer working hours. Controls are intuitive and simple, even for users with limited experience in electric boats. In terms of durability, the Honda Electric Cargo G150 Tricycle boat uses materials that resist corrosion and water damage. This is especially important for boats operating in freshwater and coastal environments. The build quality reflects Honda's reputation for dependable engineering. Safety features are basic but sufficient for its class. The stable hull design, predictable steering, and controlled speed help reduce accident risks. It is best suited for calm waters rather than rough or open seas, where stronger waves could challenge its lightweight frame. Maintenance requirements are relatively low compared to fuel-powered boats. With fewer moving parts and no need for engine oil changes or fuel system upkeep, long-term ownership becomes more affordable and less complicated. This tricycle boat is particularly useful for small businesses and local authorities. It can serve in waste collection, supply delivery, and harbor maintenance tasks. Its electric nature also aligns well with modern sustainability goals and green transport initiatives. Another advantage is the reduced operating cost. Electricity is cheaper than fuel in most regions, and the boat's efficient motor helps keep energy consumption minimal. Over time, this can lead to significant savings for frequent users. The design also makes it easy to store and transport when not in use. Its compact size allows it to fit into small docks or storage areas without requiring large infrastructure. However, the Honda Electric Cargo G150 Tricycle boat does have limitations. It is not meant for long-distance travel or heavy cargo loads. Users looking for high-speed performance or offshore capability will need a more powerful vessel. Despite these limits, the boat fulfills its intended role very well. It combines eco-friendly technology, practical design, and user-friendly operation into a single compact utility craft. Overall, the Honda Electric Cargo G150 Tricycle boat is a smart solution for short-range water transport and light cargo duties. Its electric efficiency, stable tricycle structure, and low maintenance needs make it a forward-thinking option for businesses and communities seeking clean and reliable water mobility.